In day trading, there's no single indicator or technique that can give you constant good trading opportunities. And most of the time, you have to combine multiple indicators and patterns together. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to combine the trend line, support and resistance, three pushes, and also candlestick patterns to identify a good trading opportunity. This is the chart for 6E on November the 18th. So after the London Open, it's making, this is a low, this is a high, and this is a higher low, and then it's making another higher high. So we can draw the trend line as usual, and then you can see it's something like this. Immediately we have two trend lines at the bottom and also at the top. Around 8:30, there is a trend line break. The market ignores the bottom trend line and goes down very far, and then it pulls back. This bear bar can serve as a very good signal bar, so you can place your sell order at the bottom of this bear bar, and then if you take your profit the same distance for your stop loss, you're gonna exit in this bar, this bear bar. However, when this bear bar finishes, you should pause and observe, because you're gonna get alert. The tail of this bear bar is so large, and the market might not go down further as expected. Let's take a closer look at the chart. Right now, we only have two trend lines drawing here. Do we have other indicators or other techniques for us to confirm the trend direction? We can first think about the resistance and support. After we highlight this part, which is the value area, we can see that these two bars, this doji bar and also this bear bar, they have very large tail at the bottom. They just touch the support range and then bounce back. To confirm whether we are right about this support level, we can shrink the chart and see what's going on before. In the previous day, we have the area here as the daily high. And also, if we go even further, we can see that here it's touching the support level here. And then the market moves between this range for a while. So right now we are very confident that this level can serve as either resistance or support. But right now, since it's touching here and then bounce back, so this is a support level. So the support level will indicate the trend is going up. Second, we can also see some three pushes pattern repeating itself. Let's take a look at what happened before. So we can clearly see that this is the first push down. This is the second push down. And also this is the third push down. So that means if we have first push, second push, and if we have another push, the trend is probably going up. The reason that we are confident after the three pushes, the trend will go up is because for the technical day trading, the basic assumption is that the historical chart will repeat itself. We can also use candlestick pattern to have some clues on the trend direction. If we take a look at this doji bar, the tail is very large at the bottom. What we can see is that at this down leg here, we also see the same doji bar. It repeats itself. The same thing for this pin bar or this hammer here. You can see that they also have very long tail at the bottom. That means it repeats itself. See what happened after this pin bar. So the market goes up, then there's one push with a bear bar, another push down with two bear bars, and then the trend resumes to the upward. So we can expect the same thing before the trend resumes, and it happened. So we can see that after this, the second push down, it goes up. So there's the first small push with a bear bar, and then the second small push with another bear bar, and then the trend resumes. And if you take a look at the last two bars before the trend goes up, it still shares the same situation. If you have a closer look at these two bull bars here, basically it's accumulation of the buy power, and then the next bar breaks the range, and then it's the start of the uptrend again. The same thing here. These two bull bars, they are accumulation of buy power as well, and then the next bar you can see that it's breaking up and then resumes the trend. So you should go long at this bar and put your buy order on top of this doji-like bar. So the trend will go up, and then your profit target is that you can first and extend your trend line here. That you can see that when it touches the trend line, it reverses greatly because other traders are taking profit at the same time. Another interesting thing is if you extend your trend line, so basically we need to cover the bottom of this tail here, and then if you extend it, you can see the market at here, they also follow this trend line. That's something very interesting that you want to take a note. We can use exactly the same combination of indicators or techniques here to do another long trade. First, the previous resistance level will become a support here. It's touching this area and it bounce back twice. Second, we still have 3 pushes. So this is the first push down, this is the second push down, and then this is the third push down. Third, about the candlestick pattern here, you can see that these two candlesticks, it's the same thing. It's accumulation of the buying power. So again, we can put a buy order on top of these two bars, at the top of these two bars, and then go long. In terms of the profit, we can use the measure move because right now we don't see any trend line at the top. And then if you look back, we could find some resistance and support level, but here, if we use the measure move, it should be good enough. Let me show you. So this is the first leg up because it's continuous bull bars here. And then there is a consolidation here with a range. And then we are expecting the second leg up. So we measure from the bottom of the first bull bar. And then you can see that exactly at around this level, the other traders are pulling back to take the profit by this bear bar. So you can see that there are good examples that we can use the combination of multiple patterns, techniques, or indicators together, and then to confirm the trend and then also have very good trade. So if you are enjoying my video, please do not forget to subscribe, comment, and like. You can also go to my channel for more videos. Thank you.